Looks like we've got some unboxing to do. Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some unboxing to do. The Prime shipments have been piling up a bit lately. I haven't had a lot of time to do any unboxing, so got 2 or 3 good little things here to check out. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing we have is an envelope. So what this guy is it's for a boom mic pole, and it's a camera attachment. So if you've seen the current camera attachment that I use with my A900, it's basically a goby attached to the pool table light. So hopefully this, and what I think is in this box, will help me out with that. So I think I need a knife. Get a knife and let's check this out. Got something sharp. This is actually a lot better quality than I thought it would be for the price I paid. So this is the mount for the top arm and the full adjustment here. Okay, so you have these pieces here, full adjustments. Okay, weight, you can add weight there. Let's get into this box. Okay, so this is the base, the top. Okay, so I think this worked out pretty good. It's basically a light stand with a little microphone adapter that I bought for my camera to replace my overhead. So let's have a look. So as you can see, this is the light stand here. This is where you hang your weight, counterweight. Okay, so this is the piece of copper pipe I had to add to attach the adapter. And there we have it. There is the new overhead rig. Alright, so that was my light stand that I converted to be an overhead camera rig. I think it's going to work well for what I needed to do. A C-stand style rig is what I should have bought. Would have been about $200. This guy here was $50. So I think for now it's going to do the job for a quarter of the price. Alright, let's see what else we have to unbox here. Okay, so we got the mic stand. So this is going to be kind of cool. Great thing about having this mic stand now is I can do some tutorial videos at the computer. I want to show a little bit of the secrets I've found with Adobe Premiere Elements. Not a lot of people out there are using Elements. Fit within my budget right now, so that's what I'm using. So this is your standard accordion style mic stand that I have now for my mic. This end here will fit the blue microphone, which is the USB mic that I have. This should work nicely. I'm gonna need to build a studio to store all of this stuff at some point. Okay, so we've got one more item in the box here. I don't think it was supposed to arrive like this. I believe this is how it was supposed to arrive. So this is a Samsung Gear. Well, now I know why it was off of the box. This is a Samsung Gear 360 cam. I got this camera because I just wanted to experiment a little bit with 360 video. I've got a friend that's been talking about it quite a bit, and this was an affordable way to get started. And spring is hopefully coming at some point, so this is going to be mounted to my helmet, and hopefully we'll get some really cool mountain bike shots with this guy here. I know nothing about filming in 360s, so this is going to be an experience for all of us here. Well, this is pretty cool. Found where the battery goes. Battery goes in there. This thing feels pretty solid. 90 bucks. $90 for a 360 cam. Some 360 video coming to the channel soon. So that's the camera, which has this cool little tripod that I keep playing with here, so you can just set it down. You also get a pretty thick quick start guide. Looks like the activation key for the software. Padded carrying case, that's nice. We'll probably use that right now. Ta-da! USB, I assume, for charging. Battery, strap. So there you have it. That's what's included in the box of a Samsung Gear 360. This thing's gonna be good. So that's all we have for the unboxing today. Got ourselves a Gear 360 camera, nice microphone stand here, and we also got a sort of T-stand overhead mounting rig that we're going to be able to use to get some cool overhead shots. Definitely going to need a studio to store all of this stuff, so maybe we'll build one this summer. We will see. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button below if you want to see more, and until the next time, take it easy out there. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.